Hello dear students, today we are going to see the topic generator on no load and on balance load. There are two words, one is called it as no load, means no load is going to get connected to the output side of the generator, and there is another word that is called it a balance load. Your load is a three-phase one. If three-phase load is there, three-phase load can be connected in star or can be connected in delta. But when you are going to get connected anyway, all the three phases should have the same magnitude and same angle. If it is a resistive, then all the three phases is having resistive. If it is inductive, then all the three phases is having inductive. If it is a capacitive, then all the three phases having the capacitive, same magnitude and same angle. So this is called a balance. So we are going towards a few details. Basic requirement to understand this concept. The terminal voltage when full current is drawn is called it as full load voltage. See here, full current drawn, and that is a given at full load voltage. Then the no load voltage is the terminal voltage when zero current is drawn from the supply. You can see here the word is highlighted. It's a zero current is drawn from the supply, means there is a open circuit, no load is going to get connected. Then there is called it a full load is there. Full load is nothing but it is a maximum amount of volt ampere flowing through the equipment at full load under specified conditions. Maximum amount of volt ampere or kVA or MVA flowing through the equipment at full load under specified conditions. Concept clear? This is called full load. You can consider it is a half load, you can consider a quarter load depending on your requirement. And for that we are going to get called it's a rated load. Rated load or volt ampere is the load specified in the nameplate of an instrument as specified by the manufacturer. So on your machine there is a nameplate is available. That nameplate there is the voltage is given, current is given, and so many other parameters is given. So there it is a mark, there is a rated load is there. And this is also the rated current that machine can carry without any damage. You can find out on your nameplate. Again there is a question is there, why alternator winding is star connected? Already I have mentioned it is a star connected or delta connected, but preferably we are going for star connection. Reason is very clear. The armature winding of alternator is generally connected in star because of the phase voltage is 0.577 times the line voltage, which result in lesser voltage trace and lesser insulation cost. And this will going to get depend on the relationship line voltage is equal to root 3 times the phase voltage. So here we can going to get discuss generator on no load. So when generator is connected on no load, then for the synchronous generator we are going to get say that there is a DC excitation is going to get applied to the rotor winding. You can check here, DC excitation is applied to the rotor winding. Here this is a winding where excitation is going to get applied, because of which a magnetic field is going to get produced. As this N and pole is on rotor and rotor is driven by the prime mover, hence a rotating magnetic field is going to get created. This field is going to get cut by the stator winding, or you can say armature winding. So here there is a winding is there, this winding is going to get cut the magnetic field which is produced by the rotor winding. And according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF is going to get induced. As there is a no load is connected, then no current will flow, only the whole terminal voltage is applied across the three phase winding. A, B, C. If you are going towards the balance load, when such balance load is connected to a three-phase supply, then a balanced three-phase current will flow from the terminal. The terminal is there, three-phase terminal voltage is there, where you are going to get connected, and a voltage is going to get saved. And because of the balance, all the three phases are distributed from one another by an angle 120 degree, and having a maximum value is the same. So this is the concept of balance load. In this, another word is maybe going to be coming out, that is the unbalance. Meaning of unbalance is either all the three phases doesn't have a same magnitude, or the angle, or both. Thank you.